The system we're building might seem complicated, but actually it's not. And the reason for that is because we're going to divide it into small chunks that are easy to develop and maintain. Here's the scenario to how it works. When you use your app to control RGB system, you are sending a request to some online server. The server notifies all the computers that are connected to it. One of them happens to be connected to the Arduino with a controller, so it reads the updates and transfers the colors to the Arduino. The Arduino gets the colors and sends a signal to update voltage sent to LEDs. All happens in less than a second. The course is meant to be quick and to the point, so we'll only include the fundamental pieces of the project in the videos, and we assume you are familiar with the technologies used along the way. But if you need more details about some notions, feel free to check out the lecture notes for each video. Also, if you're stuck at some point, feel free to ask questions and I or the community will help you out. If you know you can answer someone else's question and help build the community, please do so. We'll provide great offers and rewards to the best contributors. Also be sure to take a look at our website for more.